Hi, it's Ginny. I am your tech tip mom, and I just want to show you real quick how to use HandBrake. It's a cool software package that you can use to encode your videos so that you can use them, and it also shrinks them so that they don't take up so much room on your cloud storage, because I know after a while you got to pay for more storage, right? All right, so let me get out of the way. It's oh my God, it's 3 steps. Super easy. So I have HandBrake open here, and look at, drop a file or folder here. So I'm just going to go grab the last video I just did, which was a welcome video for my latest funnel. If you need any help with your funnels, be sure to let me know. So I'm going to drag it over there and drop it. And there I am. That's not a very good clip, hey? If you want to grab a clip, you can, but whatever. You don't have to. So that's just a preview. I have it set to MP4 because that's what I want. All right. But I also want it to be named MP4. So because when I upload it to the storage that I use at MLSP, they want an MP4 file, not whatever that was from OBS. OBS records it in some other format. That is all I do. And all it does is it just names it, the same name as the video, -1.mp4, and it puts it in the same file. So I click start, I let it go, and this one is a 4-minute video, so it might take a little bit to do, and it will be in that folder that I told it to go, which is under my profile and videos. Easy peasy. Now it will be, smaller. I'm trying to get me back here so you can see me. So it'll be smaller and it won't take up as much room. It'll be cool. So that's it. It's called HandBrake, and all you got to do is Google it. If I find the link, I'll put it below the video later. Make it a great day, and I'll see you next time with a tech tip. Make sure you sign up for my newsletter and subscribe to my channel so that if I have other tips to share, you can grab them and you can go look in the archives for all the other stuff that I've taught. Make it a great day.